Hello, peoples. I is in the forest again, and there's snow. Hip hip hooray. You can see I got my Packer boots on. They're completely broken in, and they're starting to get some patina. I've treated them with a little bit of mink oil, not a lot though. Cutting down this tree because I'm making a camp here because this seems like a good clearing to make a camp. And I'm chopping this down. I just started. I'm using my grandpa's old hatchet. I can't use my hatchet because mine's out of commission because I need to rehandle it. But this, well, yeah, it has a handle, so I can use it. Um, yeah, I could bring my axe out here, my double bit axe, but that also needs a handle, so yeah. But yeah, that's what I'm doing right now, so yeah. Hip hip hooray. Okay, goodbye, peoples. Yeah.